Hey guys, so SKM Pro here, back again with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix issues related to an update. So say for example you just updated your phone and you've noticed that there's a lot of battery drain, or some apps won't work, or there's just so many things that just feel wrong. So doing this will help fix those problems, and if it doesn't, I will show you a different way to do it. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to boot into recovery mode. So to do that on a Samsung device, you just turn off your phone. Now, because I'm using an S20 FE, you'll have to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. But there's something that I noticed. If you just updated your phone, it might not boot into the recovery. So what you want to do is get the earphones that came with the phone, plug it in, and then hold down the volume, the power and volume up. Keep holding it. There you go. So once you've booted into that, you then want to go to where it says wipe cache partition. Now what this does is it removes all the rubbish and all the dirty, unused files that have just accumulated in your cache from different updates, and they're just like causing so many problems. So what this does is it just clears them out and allows your phone to work properly. So once you've used your volume keys to select it, you then use the power button to select it. Then this is to focus. And then do this and go to yes. And once it's done, you then reboot your phone. And then once you've done that, it should fix any problem that you are having that is related to an update. So you should notice less battery drain if things are going wrong. You should notice less apps crashing, and yeah. So now if that doesn't work, what you need to do then is you need to factory reset your phone. Okay, so you need to do a factory reset. So it's the same process. Boot into your into the recovery mode. You boot into recovery mode. So let it turn off. Okay, you boot into recovery mode, and you then go to factory reset. Make sure before you do the factory reset, you need to back up your phone with the Samsung Smart Switch software on your computer. Yeah, so this is it. You just go down to where it says factory data wipe or factory reset. So you then use this, click on it, and yes, and then you factory reset it, and back up your phone before you do this, so you don't lose anything important. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was just a way to fix any problems you've been having after an update. And also on the One UI 3.1 updates, the Samsung Galaxy S21 phone, S20 phones have already received it, and so as this phone right here. So I'm just waiting for the S10, and once that is out, I'll show you guys the new things it brings. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.